Alright guys, we're gonna get down and serious for this one. Let me roll up my sleeves here. So we're gonna get serious. Real serious. Alright. Be honest. Has any of you guys ever had that little thing in your brain that tells you, ooh, that piece of chocolate looks real good today? Or I feel like I'm feeling some hamburger from McDonald's, or I'm feeling a donut, or ooh, today is Slurpee Day at 7-Eleven. I'm totally gonna go get some because I'm feeling some Slurpee. Well, let me just tell you, if you want to get rid of those cravings, boy, do I have a solution for you. This is gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So a lot of people that are trying to start on their health journey are always trying to curb their cravings for sugar, for super fatty, gross foods from fast food restaurants, from anything that is potentially bad for you. And basically, I'm just going to get right down to it. Your solution is that you need to eat healthier. Period. So, the more healthier that you eat, the more you will start to crave those foods. For me, I've been eating healthy I've been staying away from chocolate, sugar, all of that bad stuff, and I don't crave those things anymore. People, if I go and walk by something at the store, I go to Walmart or something, and I see all those awesome snacky foods, all the Cheetos and the Oreos and the Kit Kats and the Reese's and all of that stuff. I don't even look over there. It doesn't really bug me. I just don't really want stuff like that anymore. And that is because I am only putting food in my body that is healthy for me. Alright, so let me just say this first. So, cravings are not bad for you. They're not bad. A lot of people, when they're starting on their health journey or just trying to be healthy at all or whatever, they try to completely get rid of all of their cravings. But the thing is that cravings is your body's, it's a natural thing for your body. If we didn't have cravings, we wouldn't know what we needed. And so, cravings is when your body is telling you that it needs certain nutrients. So if you're craving, say, like calcium or vitamin, or if you need calcium or vitamin C or something like that that you need in your body that you may be slightly deficient or insanely deficient in, your body, if it is working properly, it will tell you, it will think about all of the things that you have recently eaten the most often, and it will say, hey, I need this food right now, and it will get you all pumped up and in the mood for that type of food, and it will get you to eat that food so it can get the nutrients that it needs for at that specific period of okay, at that specific period of time. So please don't try and waste your life trying to completely get rid of cravings and think that if you're craving something that food must be bad for you, because your body it's just doing what it's supposed to be doing. It's just telling you, hey, I need this nutrient, this nutrient, this nutrient, this nutrient. And so yeah, so instead of, when you're starting your health journey, instead of thinking what I'm craving is bad for me, think about is this food that I'm craving a healthy source of what I am actually needing in my body? So, this obviously takes a little bit of research, but when, say, like you're craving, I don't know, a donut or something like that, I don't know. Think about what the nutrients are in that donut that you may be needing at that moment. And then think about an alternative food that will give you those exact same nutrients that you might need, and eat that instead. That is how you will start to crave healthier foods instead of unhealthy foods. Ta-da! I just solved all of your problems. You're welcome. I didn't go into a lot of the scientific details in this video today just because I have a blog post that goes way deep into this topic and gives you references and all of that sciencey stuff if you're into that. And so if you want to take a look at that and learn a little bit more about how cravings work or anything like that, definitely click the link that I will be linking down below. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, experiences, anything like that, just comment in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe so I know that I'm doing good and I'm putting content out there that will help you guys out. I hope you guys have a good day.